All right, guys, this is the Airbender. All right, we'll break it down step by step with you. You're gonna start out in a two-hand hold. You're gonna spin your partner to the right with both hands, and your right hand will end up on top of your left. The reason this is called the Airbender is because of the next little part. Pump your hands up, and then you're gonna do it again, but step under your partner's arms. Her hands are gonna end up like this, and you're gonna uncross them. You're gonna go right hand, left hand, and let go. To end the move, you're gonna spin to your right under your partner's arms and push off of her hip.
And girls, what I do, you don't have to, but I actually grab the shoulder and I pull it towards my way and then do a body roll with him. That is just my taste. You can do whatever you want because he can lead you through this whole move, but I like to add a little bit of flair.